I wanted to do an Earth Day recap for you. We had a special annual plant ceremony at Family Fusion, and we had a gardener come in, and I took some video and some pictures of her, and she's so cute in her craft. At Family Fusion, it's a transformational healing center. We're all independent contractors, but we work as a united front to bring healing to individuals in non-conventional therapies. So we have art therapy and music therapy and Tai Chi and Gong and vibrational and sound therapy. We have Reiki, we have life coaching, we have positive mindset, and we have nutrition coaching with me. It is a great group of women that I love working with, and I have the opportunity to do whatever classes basically that I want and that my clients need, and I'm able to service a wider group of women in this awesome networking market. I will just link below the cute video of Jackie, my little gardener friend. She's Master Gardner. She's been in the business for 25 years. She does patio designs and upkeep, and she's a general contractor, so she doesn't do all the physical labor of the irrigation, sprinkler systems, that type of thing, but she contracts that work out. So she's awesome at design. Certainly nothing that I could do, and I learned a lot from her yesterday. She taught us how to do potted plants, and so since some of the women that I deal with live in apartments or by themselves or are not sure where they want to stay, they have patios or balconies that they want to beautify, and potting plants are a way to do that. I grew up with my mom. Even though we had a large house and yard, there was potted plants everywhere, and that was my job as a kid, to water those plants. So I kind of knew about, or I thought I did, until I heard Jackie. And so she potted, explained the importance of organic soil and how you transplant plants, is that right? Transplant plants into pots, and what kind they should be, and about the irrigation and the water and how much, and direct sunlight. And one thing that I was very impressed with was she brought ladybugs, and I guess you can go to the store and buy ladybugs as your alternative to pest control. So they eat bugs and little creatures and things that are a detriment to your plants. I love that they eat fungus. Like, that's amazing, and they're so cute. And so instead of putting chemicals on your food or around your surroundings, you have natural resources to do that. She talked about having a bubbler and how cute that was, and efficient with watering. Just some great tips. I did not know that the citrus plants here in Arizona are grafted onto an orange tree, and so I'll put some pictures up to where you can see like the actual like graft in the trunk, and then where it goes up to the lemon tree or the citrus, because that orange tree has better roots and is more resistant to the elements and some of the environmental pollutions that are around. So that was also informative. And now I'm checking all the orange trees, and I always thought it was just because of maybe sunburn with the sun, but not so much. So I will go ahead and link that back so you can take a look at that and get some tips. I need people like Jackie because I make the food. I don't know how to grow it. I can tell you where to buy it, how to prepare it, how to cook it, what combinations, what to eat if you were struggling with whatever ailment, but I'm not the best at gardening and having a green thumb. So we need people like her, and we work together well if we can learn to support local businesses. So make sure, if this was informative for you, to go ahead and click the like button and the subscribe, and then check out my website below for some more tips.